you, because today I will be describing an easy way to find successful products, ideas, and inspiration for your next creation you will sell on Etsy that is guaranteed to be a bestseller. Okay, so the first step is to download EtsyHunt. Go to the Chrome extension store and just press download. It's a free tool, which is awesome, and it pretty much just lets you analyze all sorts of data on Etsy, and it tells you which products perform well and which ones perform poorly, which is very important, so you're going to need this. Alright, so step 2 is to do the research. And now you're going to want to have a niche or a thing you want to search for. And for instance, here we're searching for wooden wall art. And if you click on a listing, you can scroll down and a big chart will appear. And this one hasn't been ranked yet, so you can come back later and check it out. But just go back to search. And when you're scrolling through the search, if you give it a minute, it'll pop up. And now you see there's green text above the title, right there where I'm pointing. So now we can scroll down, and as we're just scrolling through the listings, we can see how good they're doing. So this one is doing exceptionally well. It's got 24 sales in the last week and hundreds more. And we can just keep scrolling down, and if the number of weekly sales is high enough, it shows us the product's pretty successful. So if that's the case, then you're going to want to find one of these products that's doing very well. And what you're going to want to do is click on it. You can identify what it's like, and you're going to want to replicate that product, so make the same thing but make it cheaper, or you can make something that is superior, that's better, and sell it for a better price or a higher price if it's better. You want to make something unique but in the same vein of what's doing very good right now. And for instance, I like this product. It's doing very well. It's very nice looking. And I'm going to try to list something that is similar to that, but also different and for a better price. So hopefully some of the customers that are trying to buy that product will see mine and be like, hey, that's pretty cool, and purchase mine instead. Okay, so for example, earlier we were looking at a wooden wall art piece on Etsy, and I said we're going to replicate that. So the listing that I decided to create was one based off of this art piece that we have. Let me grab it. So this is a wooden wall art piece, very intricate and detailed oriented, as you can see. And the thing that sets us apart from the other product we were looking at online, that one was like $200. This one you can get for $80 usually, but right now we're kind of having a sale for like $60. So if people go and look at this piece and then the other one, they're gonna see this piece, and I mean, in my opinion, I think it looks very cool, almost as good as the other one. And if they see this one for like half the price, and it's a very good product, then chances are they're going to click on this one, and once it gets enough exposure, it's going to do very well. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this, want to check it out for yourselves or see how our listings are doing. We made a new Etsy store, so right now we're at like 0 sales. We're restarting, but if you want to check us out, our new store is Stellar Art US, and I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. So there you have it. That's pretty much how you identify and then go about creating successful products. Of course, it takes time for your product to gain traction and actually garner the sales initially, so it might take a while, but trust me, with enough time it'll work. And if you want to boost your products, you can advertise through Etsy and advertise through other medias and such, but that's how you do it. And it also comes down a lot to what keywords you use for how it appears in search, which is it's a whole other topic, and I'll probably do a video on that very soon. So if you're interested, subscribe to see what we're doing with our Etsy shop, with our laser cutting machines and all sorts of things. So definitely subscribe, and I hope this video helped. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding like anything, and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you for watching though.